guys and gals, I'm Marley Williamson with DTG Recycle. Millions of tons of plastic pollute the oceans every year, threatening our marine life. West Paw has found a way to make a big splash in the community. Let's check them out.
When we think like a dog, we see something worth chewing on. A safe and sustainable material that's 100% recyclable. We're calling it Seaflex. Made from 88% zero-waste Zogoflex, 12% reclaimed ocean-bound plastic, and 0% bad stuff. When we think like a dog, we see a better way to keep tails wagging, both furry and finned. We see the change.
Way to seize the day, West Paw. Let's make sure to keep those tails wagging, both furry and finned. And remember, if you're as obsessed with the planet as we are, then make sure to follow DTG Recycle on the social media platform of your choice. And if you like the shirt I'm wearing, head on over to planetobsessed.com to check out our eco-friendly clothing line. I'm Marley Williamson for DTGtv.